Welcome back! I'm Israel, and today we're tackling how to keep your mouth fresh and your teeth healthy while traveling. Travel can throw your oral hygiene off track. New foods, time zones, and routines. But don't worry, I'll share science-backed tips to keep your smile bright no matter where you are. Ready to pack your oral health toolkit? Let's dive in. Let's talk must-haves, those essential items that ensure your smile stays bright and healthy, even when you're miles away from home. We're diving into the world of travel-sized oral care, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure. For your travel bag. Think of it as your portable dental office, ready to combat plaque and keep your breath fresh on the go. It's all about maintaining that consistent care no matter where life takes you. Bring a toothbrush, the cornerstone of any good oral hygiene routine. Travel-sized with a bristle cover to keep it clean. This prevents any unwanted germs or debris from contaminating the bristles, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. Pack fluoride toothpaste, a crucial element in strengthening your enamel and fighting off cavities. And a tongue scraper, an often overlooked tool that can make a significant difference in your breath and overall oral health. For fresher breath. It removes bacteria and debris that accumulate on the tongue, contributing to a cleaner, healthier mouth. Don't forget dental floss, the unsung hero in reaching those tight spaces between your teeth where your toothbrush can't. Or floss picks, a convenient alternative that's perfect for on-the-go flossing. For those hard-to-reach spots, these tools help prevent plaque buildup and maintain healthy gums, even when you're traveling. If you love gadgets and appreciate the latest in oral care technology, a portable electric toothbrush is great, offering superior cleaning power in a compact design. Just charge it before you go. This ensures you have a powerful and effective cleaning tool throughout your travels. These basics make it easy to stick to your routine, wherever you are. Maintaining your oral health doesn't have to be a challenge while traveling. A tongue scraper and floss are game changers for freshness. They work together to eliminate bacteria and keep your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. Keep your tools clean and ready, and you'll have no excuse to skip your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to oral health, and a well-prepared toolkit makes it easy to stay on track. Simple, effective, and travel-friendly. These are the qualities that define a great oral care toolkit for your adventures. That's your oral care toolkit, your secret weapon for maintaining a healthy and confident smile no matter where you roam. Hydration is crucial for oral health, especially when traveling. Dehydration means less saliva, which puts your teeth at risk. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip often. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Rinse your mouth with water after meals or snacks to help neutralize acids and wash away sugars. Travel is a culinary adventure, a chance to explore new flavors and cuisines from around the world. But amidst all the excitement, it's easy to forget that your food choices matter, especially for your teeth. Maintaining good oral hygiene while traveling is crucial. When hunger strikes between meals, snack on calcium-rich foods like cheese and yogurt. These are not only convenient but also beneficial for your dental health. Also, opt for crunchy fruits and veggies like apples and carrots. These options are refreshing and contribute to your oral well-being. The act of chewing these foods helps stimulate saliva production, which in turn helps strengthen enamel, the protective outer layer of your teeth. Plus, they can help clean your teeth naturally by removing plaque and food particles. It's like a mini teeth cleaning session on the go. It's important to be mindful of what you consume. Limit sugary and acidic foods. These can erode your enamel and lead to cavities. If you do indulge, enjoy them with meals, not as snacks. This helps minimize the amount of time your teeth are exposed to these harmful substances. And after indulging in something sweet or acidic, rinse with water after indulging. This simple step can help neutralize the acids and wash away sugar, helping to protect your enamel from damage. By making smart eating choices, you can keep your mouth healthy and happy, even when you're on the go. It's all about balance, enjoying the culinary delights of travel, while taking care of your oral health. Here's a travel hack: chew sugar-free xylitol gum after meals. Chewing boosts saliva, washing away acids and debris. Xylitol starves cavity-causing bacteria, reducing their numbers. It's perfect when you can't brush right away. Look for gum with xylitol as a main ingredient. Consistency is key. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day no matter where you are. Make brushing the last thing you do before bed when your mouth is most vulnerable. If you can't brush, rinse with water or chew xylitol gum. Floss daily to keep plaque at bay. Even on the road, don't skip your routine. Small habits prevent big problems. Dental emergencies can happen. Be ready. Pack a mini dental first aid kit. Dental wax, temporary filling material, pain reliever, and gauze. Research a local dentist before you travel and save their info. Check if your travel insurance covers dental emergencies. A little prep brings peace of mind. Planning active adventures? Protect your teeth. Wear a mouthguard for sports or high-impact activities. Custom-fitted mouthguards from your dentist offer the best protection and comfort. It's a small investment to prevent serious injuries. Don't forget, your smile is worth it. Schedule a dental checkup and cleaning before your trip. Fix small issues before they become big problems abroad. After your travels, book a follow-up to catch any new issues and get a fresh start. Preventative care saves you stress and discomfort. Start and end your trip with a healthy mouth. Travel stress can lead to teeth grinding and jaw pain. Notice if you're clenching and consciously relax your jaw. Add stress busters to your trip: walks, deep breathing, or music. If you grind at night, ask your dentist about a night guard. Managing stress protects your teeth and your well-being. A healthy mouth needs good bacteria. Oral probiotics help balance your microbiome, crowding out harmful bacteria. Travel can disrupt this balance. Chewable probiotic tablets can help. Take them after brushing to let beneficial bacteria colonize your mouth. It's a simple way to support your oral defenses. Feed your good bacteria with prebiotics, fiber-rich foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oats. These help beneficial microbes thrive, supporting oral and gut health. Choose prebiotic foods when you can, even on the road. Combine prebiotics and probiotics for a resilient oral ecosystem. Your food choices matter for your smile. Mouthwash can help, but choose wisely. Avoid alcohol-based mouthwashes. They kill good bacteria and dry your mouth. Opt for alcohol-free formulas and use them sparingly. Brushing and flossing are your main tools. Mouthwash is just a bonus. Protect your mouth's natural balance. Acidic foods and drinks lower your mouth's pH, weakening enamel. Limit acidic snacks and rinse with water after consuming them. Chewing xylitol gum helps neutralize acids and boost saliva. Support your saliva's natural buffering power. Simple steps keep your enamel strong. Prefer natural care? Try oil pulling with coconut oil or rinsing with green tea. Both have gentle antimicrobial properties and support gum health. Oil pulling traps bacteria. Green tea fights cavity-causing microbes. Use these as complements to brushing and flossing. Natural options can boost your oral routine. Think of this as your personal travel guide, your passport, if you will, to maintaining excellent oral health on the go. We're here to ensure that your smile stays as bright as your travel memories. Pack smart, think ahead about what you'll need to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Eat well, choose snacks that are good for your body and your teeth, avoiding sugary treats when possible. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend for both your overall health and keeping your mouth fresh. And most importantly, keep your routine consistent, no matter where you are in the world. A little effort goes a long way. Prevention is powerful. Taking care of your teeth now prevents problems later. Remember, your mouth is the gateway to your health. A healthy mouth contributes to a healthier you. Enjoy your travels and keep your smile bright. Let your smile be a reflection of the joy you experience. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips on maintaining your health and happiness. Share your travel oral health hacks in the comments. We'd love to hear your strategies. Safe travels and keep smiling. The world is waiting for your beautiful smile.